Here's how you can reset your iPhone 16e without the passcode. In order to do this, we will use iTunes on a computer. Whether you have Windows or a Mac, you can easily get access to iTunes, but of course we will need to connect our phone to that computer. So use the USB cable in order to connect the iPhone to the computer. And the next thing that we need to do is put the iPhone 16e into the recovery mode. So first, let's turn off the phone. I'm gonna use volume up and side button in order to show the power menu, and I can slide to power off like this. And after that, once the phone is off, we need to press and hold the side button until we actually are in the recovery mode. So press and hold it. You will see the Apple logo, but you want to keep holding the power button until we are actually in the recovery mode. There we go. This is the recovery mode. Next, you should open iTunes on your computer. I am using Windows for that, but of course it looks pretty similar on Mac as well. If you have Windows and you don't have iTunes, you can get it from the Microsoft Store as an example. And you should see this pop-up window that there is a problem with the iPhone that requires to be updated or restored. And if you don't see that, what you can do is simply unplug and plug the USB cable again on your iPhone, and it should appear. So once we have this, what you need to do is simply press restore, or you can simply close this window and also press restore iPhone over here in this place. After that, follow the instructions that you might see on the screen in order to finalize this process, and you should be able to reset your iPhone completely. Of course, you will get rid of pretty much everything that you have on the iPhone, so unless you made a backup, you will lose everything. So make sure to always have a backup just in case there is an issue like this one. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!